Alright guys, I'm Lonely Travel USA. Today I'm here in Manhattan, but the other side of Manhattan, East 78th Street. You're gonna walk around, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about this beautiful place. See right here? People relax, let's walk down. Uptown Manhattan, New York City. Alright, quiet place. 79 East. The community here is almost percent big population, but Hispanic people live here. Dominican, people all over the country, different country. Spanish people, they come to have it fun here. This Lexington Avenue.
Were you on the top floor?
It's a barber shop over here. See? Different from downtown. The people, more family community. Alright, it's different. See right here? It's 80th Street East. Alright? What do you guys think? Spring began a couple of days ago. Now everything's changed. You see how beautiful they are? People walking the streets. It's not cold anymore. Alright, just the end of the year, start like October. But right now, spring is starting. Everything's beautiful in New York City now. Let's walk down, let's see what we can find. Beautiful day today, guys. All right, this is 82 East. I'm walk down and Lexington, uptown New York. No downtown. See, everything here is different. Everything here is different, guys. It's nice too. I enjoy it. A little bit more, not too crowded. Not so many people walking the street. Could you explain to me what you collect a signature for?
Sure. Basically, there is a requirement in New York City that to run for city council, you need to collect a minimum number of signatures, which I think is just a couple hundred signatures. It's actually not that many signatures. So anyway, we're both out here for each of our candidates trying to collect signatures from people who live in the district. I'm trying to collect signatures for Ben Wetzler. He's running for city council in District 4. So
Here's a report. What party? All right, guys. The day is beautiful today, and uptown New York. It's good to walk in a park. Walk in the park, relax. The place got a lot of trees. Imagine the birds sing. It's beautiful. But to walk here is nice too. But I prefer good place, natural area. But look nice anyway. Just gonna show you guys. All right, let's see what we can find. '87th Street, guys. East 87, uptown New York. Lexington Avenue. All right, completely different style from uptown New York City. Show you guys a little bit here. Different people, see? Nice, right? What do you guys think about this place? Nice, right? Here in 86th Street, uptown Manhattan.
I mean, part of the problem is that, like,
Nice place to have coffee. See? Nice restaurant. Now gonna get East 89th Street. See, it's nice, right? The people is different from here. Yeah. The delivery guy. See this guy's on a bicycle? He's delivering food. Nice, are you guys hungry? Now? 91. See right here? It's 91 Street. East 91. I explore. This video gonna call explore Lexington Avenue, uptown New York. See how they come on.
No, but if your sister needs any help, bro, I'm the big boss.
It's very small.
Бабуля мало.
Yeah, see flowers. You wanna buy flowers for your girlfriend? Buy in here. We have to come in here, Lexington Avenue. All right, I'm looking for diner in this area. I'm gonna have coffee. We got a Subway across the street. I don't see any diner. I'm gonna check it out. It's 94th Street. See?
How was the park? Was it nice? Huh?
It's 95th Street. See right there? 95th Street East. Nice, quiet place. You guys don't care? No, you guys like it. is 99th Street, East 99th Street, corner with Lexington Avenue. Uptown New York City is different from downtown New York City. Okay, guys? Let's cross the street. All right, guys, one more day in New York City. No, and downtown, no, uptown New York City. Just to let you guys know, today I explored like Lexington Avenue, but the Lexington Avenue is uptown. All right, there's no Lexington. They got two Lexington Avenues. Uptown New York is the one I'm exploring right now, and the other one is downtown New York. You know, I go there like every weekend. Okay, but and here now is uptown New York, Lexington Avenue, Manhattan. Okay, let's go there, guys. Let's see. This neighborhood is more, you know, private for family people. You see, they have a project over here for, you know, they got a project the other side, and it's very nice. Called Family Neighborhood. Street. Okay, East 97, Lexington Avenue, New York, Manhattan, uptown. Beautiful, right? I like it. Pizza, pizzeria, everything you got. They have it here. Oh, praise God. All right, now it's 100. 100 is a good number. See? 100. See it like a mixed race. Asia with the white man. Asian people, they like a white man. You know, Asian people, they like everything. Especially the women. They don't care. Some Asian country. See? See? Nice place. What do you guys think? Restaurant everywhere. 101. See the bicycle here? Alright guys, but the bicycle they have here is no regular bicycle. Electrical bicycle. The bicycle here is more expensive than the car. You know, $2,000 for this bicycle. It's special for do delivery. The way it's not cheap, you know. No regular bicycle here. We're gonna be 102 East corner with Lexington Avenue. All right, and uptown New York, no downtown. Don't confuse, you know. Downtown with uptown. I mean downtown New York City, different area. Next to uptown is different. Nice, right? Oh man, scaring me, dude. Scaring me, dude. You guys like it? I like it. The next is gonna be East 103 with the corner with the Lexington Avenue, New York. You see the train station here? 103 train station, Lexington Avenue. This one I'm walking now is the Lexington, and with the 103.
Yeah, at this point, I'm actually ready to go. Like, almost if I was like gonna stay in New York, I'd have to like, get a car, right? You know?
You wanna buy fragrance? This is the best one in New York City. And here they got a nice place here, the top #1 fragrance, original 100%. Almost the people in New York City, they come here to buy. See how the place is full. Also, gotta get the number. See right here, you gotta get the number to get in there. And there's a lot of people here. See right there. Place full.